From forgotten junkyards and scrap heaps under the relentless sun, the incredible journey of aluminum begins. Old crushed cans, weathered sheets, broken utensils lie scattered, treasures in disguise waiting to be discovered. Workers like Ahmed, steady and experienced, and Bilal, quick and eager, move through towering piles of waste, carefully selecting only the purest aluminum destined for rebirth. These battered fragments are gathered with purpose, then loaded onto massive trucks. Heavy shovels dig deep, powerful loaders scoop heaps. Metal crashes and clangs like rolling thunder as the bed fills high and straps are secured tight. The long journey begins, trucks rumbling steadily across sunlit highways, carrying the quiet promise of transformation from waste to something extraordinary. Factory gates loom ahead. Arrival. The truck slows, then tips. The entire load crashes down in a dramatic, dusty cascade, aluminum tumbling wildly into enormous waiting piles. Purification commences. Skilled hands and precise machines sort tirelessly, separating gleaming aluminum from plastic, steel bolts, clinging dirt. Every single impurity must be removed. High-pressure jets roar into action, blasting away thick grease, peeling old labels, dissolving grime and swirling steam and spray, revealing the metal's hidden shine beneath. Then shredders awaken with a thunderous growl, massive blades spinning fiercely, tearing large pieces into uniform chunks, sparks flying everywhere, the roar of industry filling the space. Overhead magnets hum and activate, pulling away every trace of iron and steel in sharp, satisfying motions, leaving only clean, perfect aluminum ready for the transforming fire. Into the heart of the inferno it goes. The rotary furnace stands glowing, hungry. Clean scrap tumbles inside. The crane's bucket empties with a final resounding clang. Heat rises relentlessly, 660 to 750 degrees Celsius. Rigid, solid metal surrenders, softens, melts completely into a shimmering, radiant sea of liquid gold, alive with heat and possibility. Impurities rise to the surface, gray dross, stubborn oxides, dark slag. Rafik, protected in his silver heat-resistant suit, steps forward, long tool dipping carefully, lifting heavy chunks away. Sparks sizzle and dance as the molten bath grows ever purer. Fluxes are introduced, white powder poured from above, hissing fiercely on contact, spreading across the surface, binding the final remnants, refining the liquid to flawless, superior quality. Then comes the pivotal moment of creation. The furnace tilts slowly, deliberately. A brilliant, glowing stream of orange liquid pours forth, flowing into huge sand molds, carefully shaped for giant cooking pots. The molten metal surges, hissing as it meets cool sand, steaming clouds rising, filling every curve and cavity, the intense glow illuminating the foundry in mesmerizing light. Time passes quietly. The fierce heat gradually fades. Fierce brilliance cools slowly, shifting from bright orange through warm red to deep solid gray, hardening into rough yet powerful pot forms. Knockout begins. Hammers strike with force, sand molds shatter, vibrating tables rumble, excess grains cascade away like falling sand, finally revealing the newborn pots standing proud. Rough, protruding edges now face the grinder. Saws scream at high speed. Bright sparks rain down like stars. Sprues and risers detach, leaving clean, strong, precise lines. Heavy presses descend with thunderous power, shaping elegant curves, flattening perfect bases, forming reinforced rims accurately. Lathes spin rapidly, sharp tools carve smoothly, perfection emerging step by step. Separately cast handles are positioned, aligned precisely, then fused permanently. MIG welders ignite. Brilliant arcs flash, sparks explode outward, metal melting into metal, creating unbreakable, solid bonds. Now the final breathtaking magic unfolds. Large buffing wheels roar, polishing compound applied. Once dull surfaces suddenly ignite into dazzling mirror brilliance. Reflections deep, flawless, almost like liquid chrome. At last comes inspection. Fatima, with her expert eye, examines every inch under bright lights. Flashlight probing seams, hammer tapping for that clear, pure ring of quality. Approved. One final cleaning, careful wrapping, labeling with pride, secure stacking on pallets. These mighty giants are ready for the world. From discarded, forgotten waste to gleaming, heavy-duty cooking pots, the full cycle reaches completion. A powerful testament to human ingenuity, to the miracle of recycling, to endless rebirth. This is the inside story of aluminum, transformed forever.